Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an animation. So let's get started. First, what you need in your animation are sprites. You can choose what you want to make your animation about. I'm going to choose 2 people and then we're going to animate them. So I choose this one and I'll choose another one. I'll go into people and I'll choose the fairy. Okay, let's put them here. I think the fairy is a bit big, so let's make her smaller. Let's do 60. Okay, much better. And let's make her turn around. Done. So what's gonna happen in your animation? I'm just gonna do a really short animation. So first you need to know who's gonna say what. I'm gonna start with Abby, and we're gonna go into when green flag is clicked. What will she say? She can say hello. I think that's gonna take 2 seconds for her to say. And then we want the fairy to say something. But how will the fairy know when to say that exactly? We're gonna go into events and go into broadcast. We can create the name of her message. I'm gonna name it hello. Now Abby's gonna send a message to the fairy. Now we're gonna go to when I receive hello. Then she can say hi. Let's see. Hello. Hi. Amazing. Let's choose a backdrop. We can make it her bedroom. Done. And like this you can go on forever and forever and make your own animation. We can make them move around. So now the fairy is gonna broadcast something to her and move, and then Abby's gonna go and receive that, and then let's make her go over here. Go to glide here. Okay, in the beginning she's gonna be over here, so let's make her go here. Done. So like this you can make your movie. And that's pretty much how to make an animation.